Hi everyone, Angie Hunt here. I'm in the LDRS Creative Studio today, and I've got sneak peek number 2 for you. This is for the May 2nd HSN show. Quickly write this down. We're going to be on, and I'll tell you these later too, so don't worry if you don't have a pen ready. But this is all Eastern time. We're going to be on at 7 a.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. You're going to look for me. And I cannot wait to show you. We've already done one sneak peek. This is going to be our second sneak peek. We're actually going to have 3 shows on HSN, but for this sneak peek, I'm going to combine 2 of our kits because I'm kind of mixing and matching how we're going to do the giveaway. Yes, the giveaway. Let me show you what we've got for you. Well, first, let me show you these. I'm going to show you these together. So I'm going to show you how we're going to be showing them on HSN, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to do the giveaway. Oh. Let's try that. We've got Winnie, Minnie Winnie, Minnie Winnie, Minnie Winnie. We all love Winnie. She's adorable, but now we've made her even smaller. You're all used to our rubber stamps on HSN. These are going to be clear stamps for you. They're a little bit smaller. We've got all these little accessories in here, and we've got sentiments. We got the whole thing in there for you. Each one of these is going to also come with masking paper, stamping mask paper, and we're going to have some, actually I think we already have some videos on our website that show you how to use this mask paper. It is so cool. I'm going to show you what you can do with it. I'm not going to give you a whole demonstration right now, but I'm going to at least show you what the end result is so you have an idea of what you do with it. But let me show you these. This is Winnie. Look at all those stamps in there. They're clear stamps, and then we have these dies in here as well, so you can really easily cut out your images. So this is Boutique. She's going to come with 12 sheets of this masking paper. It's like this. 12 sheets. And then this is our other Mini Winnie. And this one is called Let's Go. She's in a car. Isn't that the cutest thing? It kind of makes me think of like a little Barbie. Like when I was a kid and we had like the Barbie dream house and all those accessories and all that stuff. That's what that reminds me of, and I just love it. I think this is my favorite right there. My favorite. Look at that. We have all these beautiful little sentiments. Beep, beep. That one, again, my favorite. It's going to be on HSN with the stamping mask paper as well, 12 sheets. Here are the stamps. They're clear stamps. And you get all those sentiments, all the accessory pieces. We're going to be introducing a brand new character. We put a lot of time into this. And we just love her. Here she is. Here she is. She's called Lillian. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. There she is. We're going to have 2 sets. This is our birthday and celebration set. And this is Friends in Love. Isn't she just adorable? You're going to get, in each one of these, you're going to get 2 of the characters, all of the accessories, and the specially coordinated sentiments that are in there. You're also going to get dies. And these are going to be sold separately on HSN, so you can choose one or the other, or you can choose both, and they're all sized perfectly. So if you get them both, which I would if I were you, because I know these are going to go quick, you can actually combine these, and you can mix and match the girls however you want on your cards. They're just so much fun. We've got a little cat and a little dog. They're just adorable. I love these. I want to show you what you do. Well, first of all, let me show you a couple of samples, give you an idea of what these are going to give you. A lot of our samples we did in the A2 size cards this time. You're used to seeing the larger 6x6s from us, but we decided we wanted to kind of give you some options for the real standard A2 size. This one, look at her. I'm backwards, so this is, I'm actually standing backwards to the card, so moving this is not easy for me, but look at how cute. Look at, it's an interactive card. So she's kind of like driving down that hill. How cute is that? This little sliding card. I just love that. We've got all kinds of little sparklies on there too. Here's Lillian. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You know, I gotta tell you, our designers, geez, they blow me away every single time. Look at how they put these colors together. They really, really are fantastic at showing off all that you can do with these stamps. Here's our Mini Winnie. This is from the Boutique. You have a marvelous day sentiment. And then here she is again, Mini Winnie, and this is the Let's Go set. How sweet is that? This one is, if you can listen, that's a shaker card. We love shaker cards around here. How awesome. And then here we've got, are they twins? Maybe. Blonde hair, brown hair. But boy, oh boy, aren't they adorable together. Just love them. So happy. It looks like they're actually tossing those hearts into the air because they're just so much in love. I like to think they're in love with spring. It hasn't gotten here. It hasn't arrived yet in Michigan, but we're getting close. I mean, technically they say it's here, but it's still pretty cold. Look at this. You passed. See how they're lining up? 1, 2, 3, right there. That's what you do with masking. That's what you're going to do with this mask paper. Here's the whole pad of it. Again, you get 12 sheets in here. That's a lot. You're going to stamp your image. You're going to cut it out and you're going to create a mask. So it's going to go over, like, you know, a mask goes over your face. It's going to go over your first stamped image. And then when you stamp another, you're creating a scene so that it looks like one is behind the other. It is a really, really cool thing. I'm actually going to demo that on HSN so you guys can get a much better idea of it. But this mask paper is super cool, super fun, super important if you want to be able to create this kind of a look. And it's easy. Makes it easy. We're all about problem solving. We want to make things easy for you. Check this out. Watch. Oops, wrong one. Well, let me try up here. Sorry, again, backwards. How fun is that? Cool, you drive me crazy. Love that. So sweet. Watch this. This is what we call a flip card. How fun! Look at the little doggy is on the back. Says you are amazing. Awesome. Here is our mini Winnie from the boutique. Doesn't it look like she's just got like the sun behind her? Like bam! I just love that. Let me show you a few more of these. We've done a shaker card. Here's Lillian blowing hearts. How sweet is that? I mean, wouldn't it just be so wonderful if you got this card from maybe your husband, your boyfriend? Yeah, because they're gonna card make. But you know what? I've seen it. I have seen husbands sit down and they'll stamp, they'll color up an image, and they'll make something really, really cute for somebody. But what if you're giving this to your husband or your boyfriend? You can go the other way around too. You can give. How much fun? Love it. And this is a shaker card. How sweet. Love it. This one is Winnie and the Boutique. And again, we've got her layered. We put the boutique behind her. And see how seamless that is right around there? It looks like it's actually behind her. We did that with that stamp masking paper. Or stamping mask paper. I keep messing that up. See, nobody's perfect. Look at that. Happy birthday! If this isn't the most perfect summertime birthday card, I don't know what is. Who doesn't love to have a nice big ice cream cone on a nice summer day? How much fun. And this one, I gotta tell you, when I open this one, okay, if you're all as old as me, you remember that movie Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? Dick Van Dyke, you know. If you're younger, look it up. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. How cool. Doesn't that look like she's actually in the clouds? Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, if you don't know, is a flying car. Totally cool. Love it. Sorry, I love musicals. Little tidbit about me. Look at that. How beautiful. I've got one more for you. Here we have combined a couple of the little dogs and a couple of the Lillians. Isn't she beautiful? I swear she is just so happy. She has so much joy in her face. She just looks excited. I just love her. So you guys are probably wondering about that giveaway. Here's what we're going to do, because I told you we're going to combine a couple of these kits for the giveaway. And we're going to give away a full set. This is just an example of what you might get. You're going to get one of the mini Winnies. Here's Mini Winnie. You'll get one of the mini Winnies. You'll get the stamping mask paper, and you'll get one of the Lillians. Here is the others, okay? They might be mixed up in, different arrangements. Not sure exactly how we're going to be sending them out. But we're going to have 2 winners, and we're going to do the same kind of thing where you're going to go to our, I'll have the links below. So you're going to go to our Instagram page. You're going to follow us there. And then you're going to click on the link that takes you to our Facebook group. And I'd like you to leave a comment there. I want you to tell me what you think about these little mini stamp sets with the dies. And then we're going to pick 2 winners. And I leave this weekend, so Saturday on the Facebook group. And if you haven't joined the Facebook group already, just click on it to join and we'll get you all approved so you can get in there and you can get in the running. But on the Facebook group on Saturday, we're going to make the announcement for who's going to win. We'll have 2 winners, one for, a set of each, and we'll post them there. And then as soon as I get back from HSN, we're going to get them shipped out to you. So take a look at these. I hope you can join us on May 2nd. It's going to be 7 a.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m. You're going to look for me. I can't wait to see you guys there. I'm really, really, really excited about showing off these new products to you. We've worked really hard to make sure that we're bringing you some really, really beautiful and really, really high quality products. You are, by the way, not going to be able to get these configurations anywhere but HSN. You are probably not going to be able to get the Lillian anywhere else either. We're launching her there. She's going to be exclusive. And we hope you love her as much as we do. We know you're going to have a lot of fun with them. Take a look at the links below. And I want you to follow us on Instagram and leave a comment in our Facebook group. And then stay tuned on Saturday for the drawing. Look for your name. I hope you win. And I hope you will join me on May 2nd, 7 a.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m. And I think I've rambled on enough. I'm going to let you go now. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see you guys here. Thank you so much for joining me.